Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making a hot air balloon. We're going to be cutting it out, and then in another video I'll be showing you how to paste it into your picture with a picture of you in the basket. So today, the first thing that we're going to be doing is using a tracer, and what you have to do is hold it nice and tight. So if you're right-handed, I recommend holding the tracer in place with your left hand, and if you're left-handed, you can do it with your right hand. But one hand needs to be holding the tracer at all times. So you see how I make sure the tracer doesn't move at all? So that's the most important thing. Something I see a lot of youngsters doing is they just don't hold the tracer straight while they're tracing, right? So this is meant to help you. So just got to make sure one hand is always holding it, and then sometimes you might have to like move your hand around to hold it in place as you're tracing. So that's the easy part. I'm going to lift up the tracer. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut on my line. So I'm pretending that this is a choo-choo track. And I'm just staying on my line, and sometimes I'll start saying chugga chugga choo-choo so you guys can all say that. Go ahead, let's hear it. Help me stay on my line. Help me stay on my line. It's okay, you guys can make my chugga chugga noise. Help me stay on the line. All right.
What is that?
And I'm back.
When you press record, who are you teaching, us or the board?
Well, I'm making videos because I have other first grade classes, and I have some homeschool friends who want to learn how to do this too. So if you're a homeschool parent and you're doing this at home, you'll want to make a tracer first. It's about the size of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. All right, so that'll be your first step. Now, guys, next video or next class, I'll be showing you how to make your basket. I'll be showing you how to cut yourself out. I'll probably be doing that later today. But right now, while you're waiting for me to print your pictures, you're going to be designing your basket. So first is using the tracer, then cutting it out on the line, and now designing your basket. So I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks. So your hot air balloon does not have to look just like mine. It can be any way you want it to, but this is a very good design. And the thing that gives it a lot of volume is these lines. The lines, the way that they're curved, it makes it look very round. So of course you can do a different type of design, but this is a very typical design that you'll see on a lot of hot air balloons. Am I right? Have you seen this before? So after you have that, you're gonna look in your kit for whatever colors you want, and you're gonna spend time designing and making your hot air balloon as colorful as you can. So I want to know from somebody what color to do first. I'm going to choose Nevia. What color should I do? Just choose any. Which one? Purple. Okay. I'm going to choose quiet students for... If your hand is up right now, you can just put it down because I'm not ready for the next thing yet. I will be choosing a quiet student for my next color, so I'm looking around now for someone who's being exceptionally quiet, who's watching, and I can tell. Let's see. So let's see if I can do... Yeah, I think I'm going to do them all different colors. I was thinking about what I was going to do. Does yours have to look just like mine?
No.
Oh, heavens no. All right, I'm going to give it to Isabel. What color should I do next? Any color? Teal, oh boy. I don't know if I have a teal. I do have a green. Can I use green? Okay. So, you might have a teal in your kit if you look around. I could show you a quick way to make it look like teal though. So teal is really just like a greenish blue. It's like a very deep green. Maverick, can you do me a favor? Can you just sit behind Talia for me? Thanks, honey. All right, so let's say I want to make this look like teal. I'm going to show you a little tip, little trick. So if I add like a little design in this with some dark blue, that's going to help it look like a teal. So I'm adding some variation. Can you add cool variation like this too?
Yeah.
Most definitely. All right. So now I'm going to choose another quiet student to tell me which color I should do next. Let's see here. I will choose Caden. Yeah. What color? Any color.
Blue.
Oh, okay. We could do blue. Let's do it. I like it. There's all different blues.
That's a teal. That's a blue.
This is kind of a light blue. There are darker blues in the kit. You just have to look around. If it's not in your kit, you can look in a friend's kit. Okay? The kits are for everyone. It's midway through the year, so some of these markers might be starting to fade, but I actually hang on to the faded markers because I like when they draw faded. I actually think it looks really good sometimes. Believe it or not. So they're not for the garbage yet. Okay, I'm going to choose Rowan for my next color.
Red.
Red, you got it. You guys are picking awesome colors, you know.
That's kind of like a dark color.
So you want to go as neat as you can when it comes to coloring in your balloon.
That looks good.
So far, so good. I think so too. Okay, I will choose another student, and I'm gonna choose Addison.
Pink.
All right, I like it. Beautiful pink. And there's gonna be one more color after this. I will choose someone who's been really nice and quiet. So I'm holding this down as I'm working to make sure I can work really nice and neat. I think the last student I'll choose will be, I'd love to choose you, Oliver, but you've been doing a lot of talking, so I'm going to choose someone else. I'm going to choose Joy.
Purple.
All right. Well, we did purple for the first color. Can you tell me maybe a different color?
I think that's dark blue. It's not yellow. Yellow.
It actually is purple that I used first. I know maybe on the screen it's just showing up a little different. Okay. I've got a faded yellow. You know, I'm going to look for a different one. I have a different idea for this yellow. So,
My favorite color.
all right. So I did a design in one of my stripes. Should I do a design in another one? Can someone tell me something I can do? I'm going to choose, I'll choose Mark
For what?
to tell me a design. Like I made this design here. You had your hand up. Should I choose Layden? You want to tell me something to do? Anything.
What?
You could say, Miss Stiliano, use a red marker and make horizontal stripes inside of the pink. Or tell me something to do to this. You can tell me to make polka dots inside one of them or anything you want. I'm going to let Layden think of one. All right, I'm going to pass it to Neviad.
Some polka dots
In the blue? All right, in this one here? Okay, so let's see. Got Nevia asking for polka dots inside of the blue or purple one. It's coming out pretty cool, isn't it? Can I color those in? Yeah.
I'm gonna do it like
Okay, someone else tell me a cool pattern or design.
found this on the floor.
Tell me a cool pattern or design. I'm going to give it to Emmy.
Maybe some stars and hearts in the pink.
Stars and hearts in the pink. I like it. I like it, like it, like it. So I'm going to make some hearts and stars. And I'll choose another student to tell me something to do in my yellow. I'm going to choose someone very quiet. I'm going to choose Jose.
Blue with happy faces in it.
Okay.
Wow, that's so cute.
It does. Should I color them in yellow maybe? Hey, what happens if I mix yellow with blue?
Green.
Oh, let's see if it works. Let's see.
Green. It's kind of it's very.
This one is not working out so well. Let's try another. Aha.
Green. Light green.
Got some
What about the
green.
false one?
All right. I'm going to choose one more person to tell me something to do. Someone who's sitting. I'm going to choose Kenzie.
Clouds in the yellow.
Clouds in the yellow. I like it. Okay, let's go ahead and do that.
With the blue. Whoa. Well, it's not.
Uh-oh. What happened? All right, got some clouds in the blue. Is there anything else I should do? What do you think? Gonna choose Talia. Mariah, did you want to say one?
I think I want to choose squares in the red one.
All right.
What about
Squares in the red.
and triangles?
Okay, I like that, Mariah.
Yeah. YouTube Sunday.
All right, and you can just keep decorating however you wish. So here we are. We're at the end of our video. Let's get to straighten that out. And good